Okay, now exactly like what I say. Unless you have very good time, plenty of time, and then we teach you to do something not so necessary, but maybe you need them one
Erst wenn
day.
ihr die erste Sektion richtig könnt, dann macht
Okay, just like the computer program. Okay, now
wie Computerprogramm.
you want a complete program. You want to put in.
Ihr wollt ein vollständiges Programm.
You want to download all the sheets,
Ihr wollt alles runterladen.
right? Now this is why. Maybe you need them one day. So, now you know. Oh, we can even do it this way. We can even do it this way. Oh, it's not just necessary you do it this way. You have one more choice, right? And you can even know. Oh, yeah, we can even do it like this. The double Neumun and the double Neumun. Right? We can even do it this way, right? And now, by the way, we are teaching you. Remember, in the second session, we teach you the pre-steps, and now we teach you the more advanced steps. The more advanced step, you are using his force. You don't just follow his force. You even use. Now look, to follow somebody's force is easier than you to use somebody's force.
Kraft formen ist noch leichter als die Kraft benutzen. Ne? Kraft
So
formen
this
ist
is
der
why
erste Schritt. Ne?
you're learning how to do it now. With this one, or even with that, this is more complicated. More complicated because in this. You can even press down somebody's arm with both arms, both hands, and if you use even force, then he will have big problem. Because you don't know which one is easier.
Arme runterdrücken mit beiden Händen und wenn du gleichmäßig die Kraft einsetzt, hat er große Schwierigkeiten, weil er weiß nicht, mit welchem er was machen soll.
Okay?
Even force.
Even force, yeah? And also, after that, then you learn, punch out and punch. Of course, then we can go back to this routine, right? Like the first session, right? However, if it's very close, then you can even, if your hand is free, then you can even use the thumb. When you use the manzal, then you can even use the counter. And here, you can grab it down and punch. Or I can grab you down for punch. Because this time I grab you down, and then you cannot use the bongso, right? So you have to learn to use another hand to defend. That is the formation of Kwanzaa. And then you go back. And now we go back to this Lapsa routine. And now